Hey everybody, it's early Sunday morning. It's a gorgeous day, and I just wanted to tell you I'm getting ready to head over to Recreation Park in Long Beach, California to meet up with Sam De La Torre from Island Fishing Tackle, Jeff Yeomans and his crew from 540 Slingers Club, and we are going to put on a little workshop. I don't know how many people are going to show up for this, so we're going to have to adjust as to how many people show up. I'm not really sure. Normally when you do an event like this, you know, you get 40, 50 people, you're really stoked, so we'd be really, really happy to see that. And it should be a great day. If you're getting this early Sunday morning, come on over to Recreation Park in Long Beach off 7th Street to the Casting Pond. The Casting Pond. Google Casting Pond, Long Beach Recreation Park, and come on over and say hello. If you can't make it this morning from 8 to 11, then we'll be over at Scholb's Restaurant. Scholb's Restaurant in Long Beach, California, and you can come by from 11:30 until 2 o'clock when we'll do the drawing for that beautiful Talica 20 reel. You can get in on that raffle. It's 20 bucks, and it should be really, really a special time when we announce the winner at 2 o'clock over there at Scholb's. Israel De La Cruz donated that reel to help us with our efforts south of the border. When we go down there to Baja California, we sometimes are in Baja Norte, sometimes in Baja Sur, but we have literally thousands of gifts right now, from clothing to sporting equipment to soccer goals, that we're going to ship down there, but that's costly to do it, and that's what this raffle is all about. It's about you maybe winning a Talica 20, and it's also about helping our friends to the south. Hey, don't forget, this morning, get one of these from me. Just ask me, please, because I only have a limited amount, and I'm only going to pass them out to people who ask me for them. It's a free beer, coffee, soft drink at Scholb's. Make sure you ask me for one of those. Here this morning, you can purchase a raffle ticket from me also, as I'll be running around like a madman, just basically thanking all of you for 3,000 subscribers, for over 350,000 minutes consumed this last month. Thank you all so very much. And we'll be doing this workshop 8 to 11. That should be good. All right, a little bit of fishing information for you. We continue to see progress. Better bluefin tuna fishing going on down there out of San Diego. That seems to be heading in the right direction every single day. Those fish have grown up though. I mean, they are big now, so nothing under that 40-pound mark. Fish over 200 pounds, you definitely need 80-pound with a 2-speed reel. Definitely want to bring that along with you, because that will make all the difference in the world to your success. I'm not telling you to leave your 30 and 40-pound outfit or even 50-pound outfit at home. You're going to need fluorocarbon, www.opsonusa.com. Put in FA at checkout for a special gift and note from Greg. You're going to need all of that to make your day complete in San Diego. Now, boys are starting to relocate that fish. Conditions are starting to improve, and it looks like we are back on the fish, and it has been creeping back to better fishing, and we see improvement again here today. Our local islands, as we look at the Coronado Islands down there in San Diego, a little bit of yellowtail, rockfish, and whitefish. Not all that much going on. Clemente, some of those big yellows biting the yo-yo iron at times. Not completely consistent, but pretty darn good on the Thunderbird. Jeff Markland, I love that operation. I love Jeff. He does such a great job. And again, yo-yo iron means 50-pound. You know, the colors, mint, blue and white, whatever it is you choose, I think you're going to be fine, as a lot of times color is irrelevant, but getting down and winding on that jig. And remember, when you're fishing yo-yo iron, yellowtail, and they're deep, you don't wind the jig to the surface. You wind it up about halfway, kick it in free spool, and do the process again. You save a lot more time and stay in the zone that way. The fish are deep, stay in the zone. That's what you want to do. Hopefully we'll see more and more of that. More halibut starting to be taken, as some of the guys are able to exploit squid nests at Santa Barbara and San Clemente Island. Catalina, some good bonita fishing going on over there. The bonita bite has been really excellent. Oh man, you hear my voice crack there? The bonita bite's been really, really excellent, and we're also seeing yellowtail, a little bit more calico bass. The weather there should be fine for most of the rest of the week. I think we're going to get a little bit of a blow here midweek in the afternoon, one afternoon, but other than that, it should be really good. A few more sea bass up there in the Channel Islands. That's looking pretty darn good also as we continue to head in the right direction on those sea bass up there in that neck of the woods. And of course, copious amounts of rockfish and some halibut. Hopefully we can get out of that windy situation in the Channel Islands. For sure, we got boats out here Sunday morning, but whether or not it's going to stay that way, I am not sure. The surf fishing bite, look at it. It's gorgeous out there this morning. It couldn't be any nicer. I see birds picking at worms and sand crabs, a few pelicans out there. There's even been dolphin playing and consuming who knows what, probably my yellowfin croaker, those dirty rats. But there's a lot of life here. It looks really good. Throwing a chrome crocodile in the surf or a lucky craft or, you know, fishing bait, you can hardly go wrong with that. Digging up sandworms, a great way. Digging up sand crabs, a great way. Or going down to big fish bait and tackle in the beautiful city of Seal Beach is also another fantastic way to get the job done on some yellowfin croaker, some spotfin croaker. Corvina are starting to become more plentiful, and also a nice big fat halibut on a lure would be a great thing. Grunion Run on the 16th, observation only, but it should get even more fish up here on the beaches. That is super good news. And finally, if you want to get in on the raffle for the Talica 20, it's a gorgeous reel. I'm at the park now, not quite yet, but I'll be there in 15 minutes. I'm at the park, come on by, pick up a raffle ticket, and don't forget to get your token for a free beer, coffee, soda for Scholb's in Long Beach this afternoon, actually this morning at 11:30 and into the afternoon, and we will be drawing for that reel at 2 o'clock at Scholb's. My great thanks to my dear friend Israel de la Cruz, such a generous guy, such a great father, such an inspiration to me. All right, folks, I got to get going here. It's Sunday morning. I'm on my way. Have a great day, and thanks for your great support. I look forward to shaking your hands and saying hello in a few more moments.